An invisible person with a fetish for chopping off women's hair has caused ripples of panic across states in North India. In a series of bizarre incidents coming in from Gurugram, women claim that a phantom barber has been cutting off their braids. All the women who have lost their manes claim they fell unconscious but woke up with a headache. However, nothing was stolen from the house. The police has registered a case against these phantom barbers, but the incident has already given rise to superstitious rumour mongering.
A silent fear lurks in the northern states of India. Mistrust and suspicion at every glance. The anger is palpable and the helplessness is unanimous. A hair-raising tale of horror that has impacted people across 5 states in India. Who is this invisible perpetrator who has a problem with hair? Is it just a rumor, or is there some truth to these tales? It started in Rajasthan, a series of incidents where women reportedly lost their braids while they were asleep, chopped off by an invisible person. And there are many who believe this is beyond the realm of any earthly body.
मैं जी सो रहा था, मेरे को पता ही नहीं चला, मेरे खुजली होने लगी शरीर में, तो मैं खुजला रहा था, मेरे हाथ में चोटी आ गई और मैं जब उठा तो मेरे अंधेरा छाप आ गया और कुछ नहीं दिखाई पड़ा मेरे.
There are also some who believe this is the handiwork of a gang, not a single person.
बैड टाइप्स के जो एक बैड एलिमेंट्स टाइप होते हैं जिनको कोई किस प्रकार का एक डर का भय पैदा करना जनता में, वो इस प्रकार के आदमी इस प्रकार की हरकतें कर रहे हैं और हमें उम्मीद है कि जल्दी से जल्दी हम उनको पकड़कर इस ये जो मिस्टीरियस सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो रही है उससे हम जल्दी से जल्दी इसको बूस्ट आउट करें.
A few kilometers away from the national capital, Faridabad and Gurugram are also in the grip of fear. The invisible barber has struck in Mewat, Palwal and Gurugram.
At least 5 to 6 cases of mysteriously chopping of the braids have come to light in old Gurgaon area. In fact, the victim that we also spoke to have also alleged that her braids were allegedly chopped off and she felt some kind of a headache and irritation in the head is when she realized that her braids have been chopped off. Now, she has also informed the police and they are looking into this matter. But similar such cases have also been reported in Haryana's Rewari, Mahendragarh and Mewat area, and also some incidents have also been reported from Delhi's Chhavla area. Now, in the light of these recent incidents, the police are investigating this matter and they have also formed small teams to look at all these incidents. They have formed teams to even patrol at night to see any kind of suspicious activity. But so far, they have not been able to find any conclusive reports in this case.
But several questions still remain unanswered. Are these just rumors or are these facts? Why is this perpetrator only targeting women from villages? Why have no incidents been reported from cities? Is this the work of a gang? Questions that the police is grappling with. But in the meantime, the invisible scissor hand has a free run. Mirror Now report.